All right, let's be honest. How many of you read a chapter, close the book, and forget everything faster than you forget the morning assembly speech the moment it's over? Or worse, you memorize an answer line by line, but the question in the exam is twisted and makes our brain say, Beta, ye to syllabus mein hi nahi tha. And if that sounds like you, then trust me, you need to hear this. So ICC isn't your typical class test where if you will write a poem like answer and you'll get full marks. So this board is designed to test how well you understand, not just how well you can copy. And then there are those students who treat reference books like they are collecting stickers, one for every subject. One because their friend has it, one because it was in discount, and one because their parents thought that they must have it. But here's the truth, more books don't mean more marks, it just means more and more confusion. So, with my experience, I'm telling you, students, that when I was in 10th and was about to give my boards, I used to wonder that, seeing my classmates, that from where are they getting these books? और सच्ची बताऊं तो मुझे जबरदस्त फोमो होता था. मैं सोचती थी कि भाई ये जो प्रेस्क्राइब बुक्स हैं वो तो पूरी खत्म नहीं हो रही, ये और 4-5 बुक्स कहाँ से लेके पढ़ रहे, वो कैसे पढ़ रहे. And trust me, students, my classmates who studied and solved 4 to 5 books scored almost the same that I scored by studying just one book. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Beauty of Language. So today I'll be talking about how to start preparing for the 10th boards well before exam. So let's talk real strategy, not late night panic or WhatsApp group last minute notes, but actual methods that will help you crack the ICSE boards with confidence. चलो शुरू करते हैं. ICSE Class 10 batch of 2026. You are in trouble if you are still studying the wrong way. So most students make one big mistake, that is rote learning. हाँ वही रट्टा मारना. So if you're just memorizing answers without understanding the concepts, and it is gonna bring you in big trouble, my friend. This board isn't about learning everything just before the exam. तो इसे कैसे डील की जाए? Start with identifying your weak topics right now. तो समय से पहले अगर आइडेंटिफाई करोगे तभी तो आपके पास वक्त रहेगा कि समय रहते उसे ठीक की जाए. That's why it is said prepare well before exam. So whether it's physics numerical, day diagram, maths problems, trigonometry नहीं समझ आ रही, या quadratic equation solve नहीं हो रहे, या measuration problems में बहुत दिक्कत आ रही है, or grammar rules, or facing problems of writing essays. So fix those gaps early instead of waiting till the last moment. Now, talking about essays, then if you want to learn the basic tricks and tips to write an essay that would help you score full marks, then watch my video on this topic. The link you will find in the description below. And please stop revising like you are spinning a wheel of fortune. One day chemistry, next day history, then the randomly jumping to biology diagrams just because your friend said that it's important. So this kind of revision is pure chaos. Use smart revision techniques like spaced repetition. See, revise what you learned today, okay? But also revisit older chapters every week to keep them fresh in your memory. जैसे आज एक एक्सरसाइज सर्कल की सॉल्व की तो उसे तो रिवाइज करना ही है. साथ में जो पिछली वीक में आपने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सॉल्व किया था एक बार उसे भी देख लिया, फॉर्मूलाज रिवाइज कर लिए. So that's how your brain moves it from short term to long term memory. And don't forget, ICSE has a very specific question pattern. They want a precise, point based, structured responses. ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ भी beating around the bush कर रहे हैं, नहीं. And the way to master that, practice previous year's question papers. It's not enough just to read them, but actually write them with a timer running. Create an exam-like environment. Sit alone 2.5 hours, no snacks, no bathroom breaks, just like the real exam. Sounds boring, right? Maybe it might sound boring, but this one habit, will build exam stamina and mental discipline. Now, something that most of the students lack. See, the time management is very important in board exams. See, many students face this problem. उन्हें answers तो आते हैं, सारे आते होंगे, but last तक में ये realize होता है that they don't have enough time left, just because they prepared the chapters very well, but did not practice how to manage time. So time management is the key, my friend. Now, another trap is, as I said in the beginning, using too many books. देखो, toppers don't read 4 to 5 reference books. They stick to the best ones and revise them properly. More books will obviously confuse you more rather than helping you out. Keep it simple. Practice more. फालतू चीजें कम पढ़ो. Also, start giving mock exams seriously, just as I said now. Finally, remember this: confidence comes from small daily wins. Solving that one tough math problem or improving your essay writing, every bit adds up. So, if you stay consistent, plan smart, and avoid shortcuts, then you are going to crush the ICSE boards. So stop copying the methods that others are following. Build your own strategy, and the results will definitely follow. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, like it and share it among your friends, and subscribe for more class 10 and 12 updates. I see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.